Hyper-personalized AI. AI that understands your emotions and anticipates your needs in real time. Truly personal. Generative AI. Beyond images, AI now crafts complex 3D worlds, code, and music instantly. Decentralized infrastructure. Distributed networks mean more security, resilience, and user control over global systems. Quantum computing. Solving impossible problems in drug discovery and materials science at lightning speed. Advanced HCI. Interaction becomes magical with brain-computer interfaces and haptic overlays in daily life. Sustainable tech. Innovation meets ecology. AI-optimized energy and carbon capture, protecting our planet.
The core temperature looks stable here.
Let's check the thruster. I am updating the file now.
Metaverse evolution. Beyond games, persistent virtual worlds are now hubs for global collaboration and commerce. Edge computing. Faster processing right where data is born. On your device, in your car. Predictive healthcare. Wearables and AI predict health risks before they start, tailoring treatments to you. Bio-integrated tech. The line blurs as smart implants and sensors merge technology with biology. Advanced robotics. Robots with human-level dexterity work alongside us in healthcare and our homes. Next-gen cybersecurity. AI-driven security and quantum-resistant encryption defending our digital lives 24/7. Spatial computing. The physical and digital worlds merge into interactive, immersive 3D experiences. Creator Economy 2.0. Decentralized platforms empower creators to own their communities and monetize directly. Materials science. Graphene and self-healing matter are revolutionizing how we build the world. Autonomous everything. From drones to infrastructure, AI-managed systems are taking over complex operations. 6G connectivity. Near-zero latency and ubiquitous speed unlocking the next era of innovation. Personalized learning. AI tutors that evolve with you, making education accessible and truly individual.
We are building the future together.
Digital twins. Virtual replicas of entire cities allowing us to simulate and perfect the present. Neurotechnology. The final frontier. Thought-to-action interfaces, redefining what it means to be human.
Let's explore the quantum Shun equation.
Perfect! You've solved it.
The future is not just coming, it is already here.